Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. If we talk about 4 square, it means that 4 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 16. Similarly, if we talk about 4 cube, we have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 64. But in algebra, we have values that a plus 2b, these are the variables. So if we talk about a plus 2b square, it means that we use an identity to take square of this value. So the identities use, which is for square identity, we have a plus b square which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is an algebraic identity. It means that we have a and b. If we have put the values, we have a square then plus 2ab plus b square. It means that a we have a and b we have 2b. So we have a square plus 2 to the 4 ab then 4b square. 2 to the 4, the square of 2 is 4 and the square of b we have b square. So this is called the algebraic identity. Similarly, for cube we use another identity. So today we are going to start a new chapter named as algebraic identities. In this chapter we learn about the cubes of the sum of two terms, cube of the difference of two terms, special product using algebraic identities, and the vocabulary words which are used in this chapter. We have algebraic identities, sum, difference, cubes, and product. So the first identity we have a plus b whole square or square which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we have a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. If we talk about a plus b whole square, it means that we have a plus b with multiply a plus b. So if we multiply a plus b with a plus b, we have a, then multiply with a plus b multiply a plus b, we multiply a with a, we have a square, a with b we have ab, b with a we have ab or ba, b with b we have b square, then a square plus 1ab and 1ab we have 2ab plus b square. So we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another method for multiplication, we have a multiplied by a we have a square, then a multiplied with b we have ab. Similarly, plus a multiplied by b we have ab plus b multiplied with b we have b square. So a square plus 1 and 1 2ab plus b square. So we have also a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, if we have a minus b whole square, so we have a minus b multiply a minus b. When we multiply a minus b, we have a square minus ab minus ab minus plus, and then b multiplied by b, we have b square. So we have a square minus plus, but the sign will be minus. So minus 2ab plus b square, because both sign we have minus, so we write as minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b or a minus b. When we multiply a plus b and a minus b, we have a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. So minus ab cut with plus ab, now we have a square minus b square. It means that the multiplication of a plus b and a minus b will be equal a square minus b square. And now we have a math flash. The first we have solve 64 square. We have 64 square. So 64 को हमने पहले टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, बिकॉज हमने इसमें आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी है स्क्वायर की, विच इज़ ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. फॉर दिस वी हैव a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर. सो a और b हमें चाहिए था, तो हमने इसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. वी टेक 60 प्लस 4. 60 इज़ a and 4 is b. Now we have a square, a is 60, then plus 2ab. A again we have 60, then b we have 4, and again b we have 4. Now the square of 60 we have 3600 plus 62 is 120, and then multiply with 4, 400, 4 2 is 8, and 4 1 is 4, so we have 480 plus 4 4 is 16. Now we add the values, we have 3600 plus 480 plus 16, 6, 8 and 1 9, 6 and 4 10, we have 1 carry, then 3 plus 1 we have 4. It means that we have 4096. It means we have 4096. So square of 64 we have 4096. The next we have what is 8 square minus 6 square. Again we use identity, but in this question we use the a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. If we have 8 square a and 6 square b, now we have a square minus b square. So a we have 8 and b we have 6. Now open the formula, we have 8 plus 6 and 8 minus 6. 8 plus 6 we have 14, and 8 minus 6 we have 2. Now multiply the both values, we have 14 to the 28. It means that 28 is answer. The next we have what is the 7 plus 5 square. Use identity. So again we have a and b. Now open the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a we have 7 and b we have 5. So 7 7s are 49 plus, so 7 2s are 14, 14 5s are 70 plus 5 5s are 25. Now add the values, we have 49 plus 70 plus 25. 9 and 4 14, 1 carry, then 7 2 9, 9 and 1 10, 10 and 4 14. So we have 144. So 7 plus 5 whole square, which is equal to 144. Now the next we have find the square of 101. Again we use identity, which is if we take square of the value, we have 100 प्लस 1. हमने इसको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया बिकॉज वी यूज़ आइडेंटिटी. हमने इसमें आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी है. हम इसको ए और इसको बी कहेंगे. तो जो हमारे पास आइडेंटिटी है, यानी फॉर्मूला जो हमारे पास है, वो है ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, विच इज़ इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. नाउ वी पुट द फॉर्मूला ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ए वी हैव 100. ए की जगह हमने 100 लगा दिया. यहाँ पर फॉर्मूले में हमारे पास b है, तो b की जगह हम 1 लगा रहे हैं. नाउ 100 मल्टीप्लाई 100 वी हैव 10,000 प्लस 100 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 वी हैव 200 प्लस 1. नाउ इफ वी ऐड द वैल्यूज, वी हैव 10201. So square of 101 we have 10201. So the next we have cubes of the sum and difference of the two terms. If we talk about cube, we have a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b multiplied by a plus b. If we multiply a plus b, we have a square plus 2ab plus b square, then multiply with a plus b. So we have a multiply this value, then plus b multiply this value, we have a cube, then plus 2a square b, then a b square. Similarly plus a b square or b a square plus 2a b square plus b cube. So now if we solve a cube, then 2a square b, a square b, 2 plus 1 we have 3a square b. Similarly a b square plus 2ab square, we have 3ab square, then b cube. And if we take common from the both 3a square b plus 3ab square, So we have 3ab bracket a plus b. So we take 3ab as common, and this is the identity used for cube. Similarly for minus, we have a minus b whole cube which is equal to a minus b multiplied by a minus b multiplied by a minus b. If we multiply the a minus b with a minus b, we have a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then multiply with a minus b. So we have a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Now we take 3ab as common, and because we take common and the sign we have minus, so the internal sign will be changed. For example, we have a value 3a plus 4. If we take cube of the value, we have identity a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then bracket a plus b. Now we have a cube, which is 3a plus b cube according to the formula, which is 4 cube plus 3ab. We put 3, then ab we have 3a and b we have 4, and then a plus b, so we have 3a plus b. The cube of the 3a we have 27a cube plus cube of the 4 we have 64 plus 3 3s are 9 and 9 4s are 36a, then 3a plus 4. Now 27a cube plus 64, now we multiply 36a with 3a, we have 108a square. Similarly 36a multiply with 4, we have 144a. If we arrange according to the parts of a, we have 27a cube plus 100a square plus 144a plus 64. Exercise 13a, the first question we have, find the cube of 3x plus 2y. So by taking cube, we have 3x plus 2y cube. So by using the identity, which is a plus b cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then bracket a plus b. Now we use the identity, we put the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b. Now we put the values, we have a as 3x and b we have 2y. So in the place of a we write 3x, then in the place of b we write 2y. Here we write a plus b, so a we have 3x and b we have 2y. यानी हमारे पास यहाँ पर a जो है वो 3x था, तो जहाँ हमारे पास फॉर्मूले में a था उसकी जगह हमने 3x लगाया है, और जहाँ पर हमारे पास b था उसकी जगह हमने 2y लगा दिया. और जब हम क्यूब लेंगे 3x का, वी हैव 27x क्यूब plus the cube of 2y, we have 8y cube, then 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18xy, and 3x plus 2y. Now we multiply 18xy with this value. Because we have bracket, it means that these values will be multiplied with each other. Now 27x cube plus 8y cube plus 18 3s are 54x स्क्वायर वाई, यानी ये हमारे पास एक x है और ये है, और जब दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होंगे तो पावर विल बी एडेड, सो हमारे पास जो है वो स्क्वायर में आ जाएगी पावर. सिमिलरली 18 2s are 36x y square. Now we have y in 1 plus 1 power, so we add the power, we have 2. It means that the cube of 3x plus 2y, we have 27x cube plus 8y cube plus 54x square y plus 36xy square. So this is the answer. So now that we have value x square plus 2y, we take cube of the value. Now we put the formula a square plus a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Now we write the value of the a as x square. So a we have x square, then b we have 2y. So here we write as a plus b. a is x square plus y, which is 2y square. Now we take cube. 3 2s are 6. We have power 6 because according to the law the parts multiply with each other. Plus 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8y cube plus 3 2s are 6x square y, and we write x square plus 2y. Now we multiply 6x square y with this value. So we have x power 6 plus 8y cube plus 6. Now x square multiplied by x square, we have x raised to power 4. The parts will be add according to the law. So we have 6x raised to power 4y plus 6 to the 12 x square y square. So this is answer. Next question we have ax plus by. Ax we have a and by we have b. Now we put the formula, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b. A we have ax and b we have by, and here we write ax plus by. Now we take cube of the both. We have a cube and x cube plus b cube y cube plus 3abxy, then ax plus by. Now in the next step we multiply the both values. We have a cube x cube plus b cube y cube plus 3a multiply with a, we have a square, then b, x multiply with x, we have x square, then y plus 3a, b multiply with b, we have b square, then x, y multiply with y, we have y square. So the answer is a cube x cube plus b cube y cube plus 3a square bx square y plus 3ab square xy square. So the next value we have a square plus bc. We put the formula. We have a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b. Here a we have a square, b we have bc. So in the place of a we write a square, and in the place of b we write bc. And here we write a square plus bc because we have a plus b, which is a square plus bc. So now we have power will be multiplied. So 3 2s are 6. We have a raised to power 6, b3c3 plus 3a square bc, then multiply with a square plus bc. In the next step we multiply. So we have a raised to power 6 plus b cube c cube plus 3a square. Now we multiply 3a square, which is raised to power 4 because 2 plus 2 we have 4, then bc 3a square, b multiply with b, we have b square, c multiply with c, we have c square. So the answer is a raised to power 6 plus b cube c cube plus 3a4 bc plus 3a square b square and c square. So the next question we have 105. By taking cube and use the identity, which is a plus b whole cube, we have a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Now we divide the value into two parts. यानी सबसे पहले हम 105 को का क्यूब लेंगे और इसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे, तो हम 100 प्लस 5 क्यूब कर लेंगे. अब हमारे पास जो 100 है ये a है और 5 जो है वो b है. अब फॉर्मूला पुट करेंगे, विच इज़ a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab देन a प्लस b. सो a वी हैव 100, b वी हैव 5. यानी a की जगह मैंने 100 लगाया और यहाँ फॉर्मूले में हमारे पास b था, तो b की जगह मैंने 5 लगा दिया. सिमिलरली 3a की जगह हम यहाँ अगेन 100 लगाएंगे एंड b की जगह पे हम यहाँ लगाएंगे 5. And then A plus B we have 100 plus 5. Now we take cube of 100, we have 10 lakh plus 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 plus 100 multiplied by 3 we have 300, then 300 multiplied by 5 we have 1500, and then 100 plus 5 we have 105. Now we have 10 lakh plus 125 plus we multiply 1500 with 105, so we have 1,57,500. Now we add the values, so we have 11,57,625. So we have 11,57,625. It means that the cube of 105 we have 11,57,625. So this is the answer. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.